Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about euro against dollar. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video you will find one important link. The first link below, it says automate swing trading or swing trading on automation. Okay, so click on that swing trading on automation link and then you will come to this page here, and then you will watch this video because I have automated swing trading and you can do it by doing nothing. Okay, so you can check this video once you click on the first link below and then you will know what I'm talking about. You don't have to learn anything. Everything is automated now. I have transferred my brain into a software and then everything happens automatically, and it's a swing trading. Okay, I'm not talking about 5 minutes scalping or 50 minutes scalping or 1 hour. It's a swing fucking trading. Okay, so go and check out this video once you click on the first link below the video, and join Telegram if you want to. It's free. So coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we are above the EMS, so we are in the strong uptrend, but we have to take a pullback. So coming back to daily chart. Daily chart. Okay, so we had been doing zigzag, so we had been consolidating it. It's a very risky market right now. Okay, because it does not have any momentum. So right now I think we are going to go down until the EMA. Okay, so looks like we will touch this EMA and then we will decide if we want to continue going down or we want to push back up. Okay, so for now in euro USD, I think as per daily chart we will actually maybe touch this EMA, or maybe we might be just doing zigzag. Okay, so coming back to 4 hour here again. In 4 hour we have two possibilities. We are below the EMA right now, so either we might carry on going down in this 4 hour, going to take down this low. Okay, otherwise we might have an engulfing blue candle which will break this high and will continue going up. Two possibilities, remember. Okay, in 4 hour will give you the clear picture in euro USD. Either we will continue going down and take down this low, this one. Otherwise we will engulf this candle by a blue candle. That's your indication to go long. Understood? Free money. Okay, so just wait. Right now, wait. Market does not have any momentum. Okay, it's zigzag. It's doing zigzag. It doesn't have any momentum. It's ranging. So I believe we will go down. Let me check what is this low here. This low is at 1617 in 4 hours. So 1674 hour, and in EMA we have 1636. Okay, I believe we will touch the EMA as per daily chart. Right. So don't plan anything as a swing trader, but let the market take its pullback, I believe. And then after the pullback, if it gives you engulfing blue candle, then you can go up. Okay, otherwise 4 hour has a clear picture. It will either continue going down until here, or if you see any engulfing blue candle breaking this high, then only enter long. Okay, if nothing makes sense, then no problem. Come back here, click the first link below which says swing trading on automation, and go and enter your email or whatever, and come to this page, watch this video, and you will understand how to do swing trading by doing the thing on automation. You don't have to do anything once everything is set up. Okay, so I'll see you in my next video. Till then, subscribe, like, blah blah blah. I'll see you maybe in my next video.